What diet you need to use when you have eczema? I think it's a top question you need to ask yourself and you need to search for. Because for this, I spent around 5 years of my life there just to understand what I need to do, like the small steps on the way of long journey to cure eczema. And of course, the diet is important. On my way, I tried, I think, everything that there is on the internet. So for example, I was trying vegan for years, vegetarian also. Also was the raw food diet. Actually, I did it for 6 months. It was amazing experience, but I can tell you that it's not the answer to heal your eczema. Also I was following a lot of different people. Maybe you know this. He called some Rob, I don't remember the surname, and he's the bald guy who is telling how he's eating and how he's eating healthy, what you need to do also to cure eczema. And actually I started to watch his channel, I think like 5 years ago, and I was amazed, like, wow, this guy really tells some interesting stuff. And then I was shocked because first he suggested to eat vegan to cure eczema and eat mostly raw to cure eczema. And in like 1 or 2 years, he started to suggest eat carnivore, so eat meat, eat meat without some cereals, without some other products, and mostly to do with like protein-based diet. I can tell you that this is not working at all. It works for some small period of time, but it never works last for long time. I know for sure. Why I'm telling what works long, what works short. For example, the program I suggest, the stages I propose, I already have the information from the people who finished this program 1 year ago. And I already have information that they now don't have any problems with skin anymore. And they had problems for years, because before they had like for 30 years, for 20 years, for 10, and so on and so on. And I know for sure what works and what doesn't. So, for example, the doctors often suggest to eat, there is this anti-allergy diet. So you cannot eat any red stuff. And for the first impression, it seems like it should work, because okay, it can be allergic for some food, and maybe red food brings some allergy more. Okay, but at the second point, when you're trying to understand the logic behind this, because I'm really logical person, I'm trying to understand why. And when you think that okay, you take green apple and you take red apple, and when you're peeling out the skin of these apples, they are the same color inside. So what is the difference? You're eating red or you're eating green? And it's really a stupid question when what I'm also recommend you to ask your doctor if he is suggesting you to this diet. There are really a lot of stupid diet that can help. They actually also, to tell you true, they can help you with some disease, but it makes nothing with eczema. It's completely different, and you need completely different diet for this. First of all, you need to avoid some products. It's clear, because I think that you now understand it. For example, alcohol brings like immediate inflammation to your skin. Chocolate also brings mostly immediate inflammation. So there are different products that are harming your digestion system, harming your intestines, and bringing you, of course, irritation, itching, peeling off, red skin, and more and more and more. So in general, according to my experience, there are 35 different products that you need to avoid. The main 5 top products I included in the free checklist of 5 top products to avoid, which you can download for free in the description of this video, and you can start to understand which type of the diet you need. The good thing about this is that if you do it right, so if you are starting with the right product, then you see the result immediately. So after 5 to 10 days, you can already see that it helps. Of course, it depends which stage of the problem do you have. Because if you already if you already have this disease for like years, most probably you will need to exclude all these products or all these 35 products. But at the same time, this will help you for sure to understand that you are on the right way. What else you need to know about the diet? You need to properly combine the food. So it's not just the proper food types, it's really important what to combine with what. For example, when to eat proteins, when to eat carbs, how it's with fat. It's really important to understand all this combination. And also to understand when, because all we have biorhythms is the rhythm of our body when for some process is the best time and for some process it's only make worse. So I highly suggest you to think about this and to understand that there are a lot of information and the diet is the most important thing on the way to clear skin. And if you would like to know more about curing eczema, please subscribe on my channel. I am here to answer your questions, so ask them in the commentary section below. And if you have special question about specifically your case, for me, write me directly using all information, all messengers. You have everything from them in the description also. So just type me or leave me the order for the consultation on my website. Waiting. Have a nice day. See you soon.